Welcome to High Math.
How many ping pong balls are needed to cover a soccer field? And when we say cover, we mean a single layer of balls, packed as tightly as possible in a hexagonal pattern, completely blanketing the entire surface. Step 1. Clarify the problem and make assumptions. First, we need to answer a key question. What size soccer field? They can vary, so we'll use the official FIFA standard for a professional field. FIFA says the length can be between 100 and 110 meters, and the width between 64 and 75 meters. To get a worst case or largest possible estimate, let's take the maximum size, 110 meters long by 75 meters wide. Step 2. Break the problem into smaller parts. The logic is straightforward. 1. Calculate the total area of the soccer field. 2. Calculate the effective area that a single ping pong ball takes up in the most efficient packing pattern. 3. Divide the total area by the area per ball. Step 3. Solve each part step by step. Part A. The area of the soccer field. This is simple. Length times width. Length, 110 meters. Width, 75 meters. But to make the math easier later, let's convert this to square centimeters. 110 meters is 11,000 centimeters. 75 meters is 7,500 centimeters. So, the total area is 11,000 centimeters times 7,500 centimeters. That equals a whopping 82.5 million square centimeters. Part B. The area covered by a single ping pong ball. A standard ping pong ball has a diameter of 40 millimeters, which is 4 centimeters. If we just used the area of a square around the ball, it would be 16 square centimeters. But that's not efficient. When you pack circles, there are always gaps. The most efficient way to pack circles is in a hexagonal pattern. In this pattern, the effective area each ball is responsible for is slightly more complex to calculate. For a 4 centimeter ball, this works out to an area of about 13.86 square centimeters per ball in the tightest possible arrangement. Part C. Calculate the final number. Now, for the final step, we take the total area and divide by the area per ball. Total area, 82,500,000 square centimeters. Area per ball, 13.86 square centimeters. Dividing these gives us approximately 5.95 million balls. Step 4. Do a sanity check. Let's double check this with a different method to see if it's reasonable. If we naively used the simple square area of 16 centimeters squared per ball, we'd get about 5.16 million balls. But we know that's too few because of the gaps. Hexagonal packing is about 90% efficient. So if we adjust our simple square estimate by this efficiency factor, we get roughly 5.69 million balls. Our first, more accurate method gave us 5.95 million, and this check gives us 5.69 million. They are in the same ballpark, confirming that our answer of around 6 million ping pong balls is a solid estimate. So, to cover a full-sized FIFA soccer field with a single layer of ping pong balls in the tightest packing arrangement, you would need roughly 6 million balls. And now, your turn. How many trucks will be required to transport the balls to the stadium?